strategies, not even community can help you. Right? We can just give you the platform. Like there's a platform for everybody. How you leverage this is up to you. Right? If you think that you cannot post it outside, start posting it now on, within the Facebook group. What's going to happen is you will grow substantially when you look at yourself after a few years that, oh, I was like this. Like you go back and check my videos, like so horrible I was.
Hey friends, this is Dev here, Dev Gadhvi. I'm your friend, your motivator. Alright, so focus for the week is the high level of productivity. See, whatever you're doing, are you a fitness coach, you're working out, you're spending a lot of time with your family, you're doing work, your business. Amazing articles on sales and motivation. I will share tips, one tip a day. Alright, have fun.
Aniket is laughing. You're doing your videos, acha. Everybody has to grow, but you have to become shameless. Because I'm not here, when I started making my first video, I don't think, oh, I'm gonna get likes and comments or appreciation. Like I did not even know that I will build my business because of my videos. Like there was no selfish feeling behind it. If I have selfish feeling that, oh, I'm making video because I want to make money, then it's diluted. The purpose is diluted, right? And then you will just look at it a commercial thing. And that commercial thing does not drive, we know it. That materialistic things is not a drive. It is something from within that I want to impact people. I want to empower people. Not just because I want to become a celebrity, because I want to build my brand, because I want to build my business. It's for impacting others, contributing.